Shit, let's see first if it'll even catch. Okay. Recording still? Yup. Where's my big drill? If we got the wrong ones in the wrong spot. Maybe that's the case. Not the end of the world. You just gotta do this. See, and then I left that there. So I get yuck. Let's do this one as well. Let's do it the right way. Okay. This one now is okay to go. Put it back. See if this one, oh yeah, that one looks like it'll definitely be a better fit. And now let's bring the rear back down. So if this is really hard, it's just because you have pressure you're not supposed to. So get rid of that extra pressure and make your life easy. Okay, so let's tighten these down. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do top first, but I'm gonna just do a little bit of both. A little bit of both. Lock this one, lock that one in. Let's lock this one in. And now they're both seated properly. Nothing should be rubbing. I mean, there's a little bit of rubbing there, but I'm sure with time it'll settle in nicer. Let's see. Still too soft. I'm gonna make it as firm as possible, essentially. Oh, that feels so good. Now it is rubbing a slight bit. I can see here where the frame is pinching. So I'm assuming loosening the bolts a bit is gonna be what I need to do to fix that. So if you want to avoid that, I would just assume using a torque drill, or yeah, I guess it just has to be tight. So there, yeah, that fixes a bit of the rubbing, but I mean, still with time, I'm gonna want to put a screwdriver in there. On top. On the bottom, you got your breaker bar. I'm gonna tell you what to use. So this is actually upside down. This one's on top. Where's the bottom one? Sir, I'm not stupid. It's just my first time. Deadass. Can't find it right now. Probably gonna have to watch the video and see where it fell. Roll up too. But I guess. Yeah, there it was. So that's the bottom one. Top one first, like I said. Lucky heel. It's weird because I have to fucking compress it with my knees because I have a broken elbow. And then someone's gonna be like, maybe you shouldn't be doing this if you have a broken elbow. I know I shouldn't be doing this. That's not the point. There we go. Coulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, shoulda. Literally just get it to start clamping on the metal. It doesn't have to be more than that. And hopefully you got no rubbing like I do, sadly. But we do. Let's put something in there like a pry bar. And pry it off. Yeah, just move it off to the side. Get her that clearance that you want. I think this bad girl is ready to go. Oh, okay. This is what I would do. Let me get closer. Compress that spring with my fingers. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, and that looks a lot nicer than the old one did already. Oh, that's already a lot nicer than my old one. So, I guess we'll continue opening it up just so we can see what's on the inside. You already have it like this.
You have to start living. The distance remains always the same. One does not become ordinary.
Open it. It looks a lot nicer than the old one. Yeah. If it doesn't run, from what I've seen some people replace the needle with the OG one, but from what I understand, just from my own experience, I don't think we should do that, because you know the carburetor is already built to its own spec. You know what I mean? I don't think you need to take parts from a different carburetor and put it on this one. But if I'm wrong, you know, let me know. I guess that's something I should want to know. So let's get that all nice and screwed on. Da, 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 da. Get that bitch seated in there. I think I was just pulling the wrong direction. Let's see. Old parts from the carb. I'm gonna have to take off. I'm gonna have to take off this because that's what's gonna connect to the engine. Eesh. Way too big. Will it fit here? Nope. Yeah, this is just too tiny. No, it was not built for the CRF50. Now I need to figure out a way to make things work with the stock one. Doesn't have to take this one fully apart, I guess. Just give it a good ass cleaning.
You have to start living. The distance remains always the same. One does not become ordinary. You are ordinary.
Exactly what this is. So these are both 12s. And on their other sides, I guess I gotta remove the print case cover. Oh yeah, both sides are 12s. So this is easy as fuck to take care of. I have one of these in me, but I know this is not gonna be a good time. Not gonna be a fun time. But if it's all you got, it's all you got. Luckily there's only 3 of these for this cover. So it's not a lot of hard work. You actually don't need to remove anything to do this. You just throw it in there. So what I'm actually gonna do now is this. What I actually should have been doing, I think this is a 5, is removing these things. Then go to the other side and do the same thing.